Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Stay tuned if you've been searching for a phone that can do it all, whether it's shooting amazing pictures, providing excellent performance, or simply making your life easier. Today we'll be delving into the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. With good cause, this phone has been the talk of the town. It is the pinnacle of Samsung's flagship lineup, fusing state-of-the-art technology with an elegant, high-end aesthetic. However, the camera on this phone is what really makes it unique. According to reports, the S22 Ultra captures some of the greatest images available on a smartphone at the moment. Let's get started as we dissect everything today and discuss why this gadget is causing such a stir in the IT industry. Alright, let's start with the design. The pinnacle of refinement is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, this stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display makes everything appear incredibly fluid. The experience is immersive whether you're playing games, watching movies, or browsing through your feed. It's really breathtaking to look at with deep blacks and vivid hues. Additionally, it is HDR10 certified, which means that the contrast and color vibrancy are incredible while streaming content. But the phone's overall design feels substantial and opulent. So it's not just the screen that's stunning. The curved corners give it a high-end vibe, while the matte coating on the rear reduces fingerprints. To be honest, it's a pleasure to hold in your hand. Additionally, the S Pen is integrated with it. For anyone who enjoys taking notes, drawing, or simply navigating with a stylus, that is revolutionary. Let's begin the performance now. The most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and up to 12GB of RAM power the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It moves quite quickly. Launching applications immediately, smooth multitasking, playing games, the images are clear and fluid. And you can play even the most taxing games without any lag. This phone meets your demands whether you're a gamer, a creative, or someone who simply needs a phone that manages everything with ease. Its 5,000 mAh battery lasts the entire day, and thanks to quick charging. You never have to wait long. With a 45W charger, you can charge up to 50% in just 20 minutes. Additionally, charging it is considerably simpler and more comfortable because it has wireless charging capabilities. Let's now discuss the camera, which is what makes this phone unique. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is the best smartphone if you enjoy taking pictures on the go. It has two telephoto lenses, a 10MP 3x zoom and a 10MP 10x zoom. It also has a 1 or 8MP primary camera and a 12MP ultra wide. This implies that you can capture incredibly beautiful images from a distance or up close. It's astounding how much detail this camera can capture. The performance in dim light is nearly magical, even in the darkest situations. Samsung's night mode transforms your photos from fuzzy to crisp, brilliant, and detailed. The clarity and sharpness of the images will wow you, whether you're at a concert or out for a nighttime stroll. But hold on, there's more. This gizmo has crazy zoom capabilities. You can get extremely close to subjects with a 10x optical zoom without sacrificing detail or clarity. You can get crisp, high-quality images even if you're kilometers away. From taking pictures of landscapes to photographing your children participating in sports from a distance, it's ideal. Now for the software, One UI 4.1, which is based on Android 12, powers the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The simplicity, ease of use, and adaptability of Samsung's One UI are some of my favorite features. From the themes and widgets to the always-on display. You can change a lot of things to make it really your own. It's smooth, easy to operate, and stunning on that high-definition screen. You also get all the Samsung perks, like a Samsung Knox for superior security and Samsung DX, which when coupled with the display, turns your phone into a desktop experience. Additionally, there is the S Pen integration, which is ideal for drawing, signing documents, and taking brief notes. It's comparable to having a tiny tablet integrated into your phone. Furthermore, the S22 Ultra is 5G capable, making it future-proof for the upcoming years and preparing you for the quickest connectivity when 5G is widely deployed. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's price. With its outstanding camera skills, gorgeous display, seamless performance, and a design that makes you feel proud every time you take it out of your pocket. This phone is perfect for those who want it all. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a phone to take into consideration if you enjoy taking pictures or videos with your phone, or if you just want a gadget that works as hard as you do. It is more than just a phone. It is a powerful tool designed to make daily chores simpler, more pleasurable, and more memorable. When you consider everything else, it's evident that this flagship is superior to the others. even though the camera alone makes the purchase worthwhile. I sincerely appreciate you viewing. Please remember to subscribe for more material and give this review a thumbs up if you liked it. Which Galaxy S22 Ultra feature most excites you? Share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to know what you think. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep being incredible.